Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello everyone, welcome to second PUC Statistics online classes. In the previous section we had discussed about age specific fertility rate and problems of age specific fertility rate. In this video we are going to discuss about total fertility rate. Okay, now using age specific fertility rate we can calculate total fertility rate. And what is the definition of total fertility rate? The definition of total fertility rate is the sum total of annual age specific fertility rate. Yeah, this is the definition of total fertility rate. The definition of total fertility rate is the sum total of annual age specific fertility rates. See that we can write total fertility rate is equal to TFR is equal to the sum total. Sum is denoted by summation like this, summation of annual age specific fertility rate. Age specific fertility rates. See here annual age specific fertility rates are calculated in the age group of 15 to 49 years because 15 to 49 years are the childbearing age group of women. See, I will expand these terms, that is sum of annual age specific fertility rates are ASFR of the age 15 plus ASFR of age 16 plus so on up to ASFR of age 49 years. Okay, this is equal to, we can write sum of age specific fertility rates of I, here I running 15 to 49 years, 15 to 49 years. Okay, this is the formula to calculate TFR, total fertility rates, that is sum of ASFR, age specific fertility rate of I, here I running 15 to 49 years. Okay, if for example, if age groups are given like that, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, like this age groups are given, and how to calculate total fertility rate. Okay, in that time we using the formula TFR is equal to 5 into 5 is width of age group, 5 into sum of quinquennial age specific fertility rates. See here total fertility rate indicates the number of children born per 1000 women. Okay, if I write like this, TFR divided by 1000, okay, it gives average number of children born in the lifetime of one woman. Okay, these are the formula to calculate total fertility rates. Okay, now let's see the first problem, that is the quinquennial age specific fertility rate for women of childbearing age group of a community are 25, 60, 70, 40, 20, 12 and 5. Compute total fertility rate. Okay, here we know the formula of total fertility rate, that is TFR is equal to 5 into summation quinquennial age specific fertility rate. Okay, this is equal to 5 into, see here observations are given. Quinquennial age specific rates for women of childbearing age group of a community are, here observations are given, that is 25, 60, 70, 40, 20, 12 and 5. So I will find sum of that observation, that is 25 plus 60 plus 70 plus 40 plus 20 plus 12 plus 5, that is, so sum of quinquennial age specific fertility rates are 232. Okay, this is equal to 5 into 232 is 1160. Okay, this is TFR. It indicates 1160 children per 1000 women. Okay, this is the first problem. Next, let's see the second problem, that is the quinquennial age specific fertility rate for women or for childbearing age group of a community are 25, 114, 150, 110, 80, 30 and 8. Here we need to calculate total fertility rate. Okay, here we need to compute total fertility rate. Okay, now let's see the solution part. So here we need to calculate total fertility rate. Formula is 5 into summation quinquennial age specific fertility rates, and this is equal to 5 into, so here quinquennial age specific fertility rates are given. So we need to calculate sum of that. That is, first observation is 25 plus 114 plus 150 plus 110 plus 80 plus 30 plus 8, that is 517. Okay, I want to just cross check this observation, that is, first observation is 25, next 114, next 150, next 110, 80, 30 plus 8, that is 517. Okay, this is equal to 5 into 517, that is 2585. Okay, this total fertility rate indicates 2585 children per 1000 women. Problem number 3, that is calculate TFR for the following data. Also calculate the average number of children born to women of childbearing age. Here given informations are age group, female population and number of live births. Okay, now we know the formula of total fertility rate. So here total fertility rate formula is, that is TFR is equal to 5 into sum of quinquennial age group, sorry, quinquennial age specific fertility rate. Yes, okay, before that here observations are given. First we need to calculate age specific fertility rate, and we know the formula of age specific fertility rate, that is number of live births in a specified age group in a year divided by total number of females in that particular age group in a year into 1000. See, first, that is age specific fertility rate. Here the first specified age group is 15 to 19. Okay, in this specified age group, number of live births are 60 and female population, total number of female populations are 1000. So I will substitute that two values under this formula. So age specific fertility rate, here specified age groups are 15 to 19. So this is equal to number of, in that specified age group, number of live births are 60 divided by total number of female population in that specified age group, that is in this specified age group, that is 1000 into 1000. Okay, this is equal to 60. Okay, that value I will write in this column, that is A specific fertility rate. In that first specified value is 15, first specified age groups are 15 to 19. So here A specific fertility rate value is 60. Similarly, the remaining values I will write here. So that I will write here, similarly the remaining values of A specific fertility rate. Rates. Okay, now next specified age group is 20 to 24. Under this, the number of live births are 200, and in this specified age group, female populations are 2500 into 1000, that is 80. Okay, next here specified age group 25 to 29. Here number of live births are 390 divided by female population 3000 into 1000, that is 130. Okay, next here specified age group 30 to 34. Here number of live births are 110 and divided by female population, that is 2200 into 1000, that is 50. Okay, next here the age group 25 to 39. 35 to 39, here number of live births are 50 and now female population 800 into 1000, that is 62.5. Okay, next specified age group 40 to 44. Here number of live births are 10 and female population 400 into 1000, that is 25. Okay, next here the specified age group 45 to 49. So here number of live births are 0 and female population 200 into 1000, that is 0 only. Okay, now we got A specific fertility rates, and now we need to calculate sum of this observation. So sum of this observation is 60 plus 80 plus 130 plus 50 plus 62.5 plus 25 plus 0, that is 407. So this is equal to 5 into 407.5. Okay, this is equal to 5 into 407.5 is 2037.5. Okay, this is total fertility rate. Total fertility rate, it indicates 2037.5 in the sense that is 2038 children per 1000 women. Okay, next based on our question, next we need to calculate the average number of children born to women of childbearing age. Okay, that formula is TFR divided by 1000. Okay, this is equal to, so here TFR is 2037.5 divided by 1000, that is 2.03. Okay, this is the average number of children born to women of childbearing age. Yes, thank you for watching this video.